video, you guys are once again going to help me clean up my library. And I love doing this because, first of all, I don't put things back. And this motivates me to actually clean up the library. Second of all, it helps me also pick up my TBR sometimes, or books on my TBR that I need to read. So we're going to combine that. You guys know how I always have my whiteboard I make a plan for the month of what books on my TBR I'm going to read. So that is what we're going to be doing today. It is Thursday morning. I'm actually doing this before work. I don't have to be to work until 11 o'clock, so I can kind of glide into my morning. But so I was like, you know what, this will relax me because I've had a very stressful week, which is odd for me because I'm just not a stressful person. But you know, people get on your nerves, okay? And that has been since Monday. Everybody and their mama has gotten on my nerves. So I'm like, let that go. Woosah. Lord help me. Lord bless them. Let's just get into organizing these books because this does make me feel better. So as you can see, it is looking a mess. I got my hair, books on the floor, books on shelves that are not organized. Just, yeah. But mainly it's like this area because I've been spending time over here. I've actually been reading in my chair more. All right, so we're gonna do this one, and then down here is crazy. Everything right here. This was on my TBR, my cart. Girl, why my little record stand or whatever, it collapsed. So I'm putting my records right now on my TBR cart, which I think I'm just going to get a TBR cart in here. I saw one at Burlington. It's like pink, and I can put it somewhere. But these were on that cart. And then this is the rest of my TBR of what I have to read. I'm just going to put that for now. I'm going to put this on my desk. Again, I had these books on my TBR cart, but they're not books that are on my TBR. And I remember putting those there because I didn't have any room before I redid this room, and I just left it there. But I haven't seen these books in a long time. Okay, so this one, Strange Fruit by Lillian Smith. She is a white author. This was first published in 1944. It was banned. And Eleanor Roosevelt, she's the one that basically unbanished it because it's talking about a young black woman gets in cahoots with a white boy in Georgia in the 1920s. Yeah, I know this is the first novel. I think, is this Lillian Smith's only novel? I gotta look it up. This one is what? Good God Don't Like Ugly. I was gonna read this whole series, which I think I will. I actually have these on audio because if you have that Amazon link to the Amazon audio thing, Audible, whatever I have, it's like $7 a month or something like that. They actually have, I think, the whole series on Audible. I was gonna do that and I never got to it. So yeah, because I know I'm gonna like this series. Who is this? This is Island Beneath the Sea by Isabel Alina. I know I'm saying that wrong. I wanted to get this, and I got this for only $8. It was a used copy because this is talking about a little bit about the quadroon balls, where you had women that were black but they look white, they could pass, and you had white men that were like, you know, well established. Some were plantation owners, you know, that had money, where they would go to these quadroon balls and get these women as mistresses. But these women, they would have like land and money, so it's a form of prostitution. You know, they were getting something out of it. It sounds very horrible, but I know it does dabble into this. The young girl, I think plantation owner's gonna buy her or something like that. And yeah. Next is Caprice by Cole Booth. First of all, look at this cover. I don't think I finished this. This was a middle grade book, but it was kind of deep because the girl, she is a very smart girl. She goes to a boarding school or something for the summer, and she's so smart that they want to like send her to that school for all the way to high school. But she was sexually assaulted by a family member and no one knows. And I think when she goes to that school, it triggers, like the day before they're supposed to leave for summer break, it triggers something and it brings it all back. And I don't think no one knows, and she's harboring that. So yeah, it's deep for a middle grade book, but I need to finish this. And the cover is just so pretty. No one was talking about this book. I didn't see it at all. It's Scholastic Press. This is Magic City, Jules Parker, and this was sent to me by the publisher. This is Tulsa, Oklahoma, 1921. A white woman and a black man are alone in an elevator. Suddenly the woman screams, the black man flees, and the chase to capture and lynch him begins. Oh Lord. When Joe Samuels, a young black man who dreams of becoming the next Houdini, is accused of rape, he must perform his greatest escape. Meanwhile, Mary, the white motherless daughter of a farmer who wants to marry her off to the farmland, who viciously raped her, must find the courage to help the man she accused with her panic cry. What? Oh, I don't know about this. Oh, so she lied and said that black man raped her, but really it wasn't. It was one of them. Then lastly, this is the book I was talking about. You might guys remember I was talking about memorable characters. I did a video talking about memorable characters, and it was a book called The Reader by Bernard Schlink. It was this book. He is a German writer, I believe. And this was a movie, Academy Award movie, fantastic. And his books, it's always about a woman that has like a past and she's not conventional. But this book, Olga, it came out 2018. At an early age, Olga lives with her grandmother in a small village. Unloved by her grandmother and different from the local children, Olga grows up a lonely soul until she meets Herbert, the son of a local aristocrat. Herbert is different, too, a dreamer. Olga is quickly drawn in his adventurous spirit. In his adulthood, he will find Olga's letters that reveal the secrets she had hidden from him and everyone. See, that's what I want to know. Yet Olga manages to cope with the hardships of her era, strength, dignity, and courage. This is my next book that I do want to read by him. Okay, so those are all the books that were on the TBR shelf that I hadn't seen in a very long time. I'm trying to figure where we're going to put this. Well, y'all know, first of all, I separate books by race anyway. So this is going to go, since they're not black, and this, and Lillian. You will go over there. Okay. What is this? This is, oh, girl, these romances. Okay, that goes over there. I need to get up on this, okay, because I do want to read this for the summertime. So before summer ends, I want to read this. This cover. Look at that cover. Oh, it is so pretty. But we're going to put her... We got to put her right here because I don't have enough room. Oh, these are plays by Tennessee Williams. One of my favorite. Okay, plays. Go right there. I got a little section for plays because I don't read a lot of plays. This is, I cannot wait to talk about this, you guys. I recently read this. Tumbling by Diane McKinney West Stone. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay, Diane is over here. Okay, so now we are going to be focusing on, what time is it? Okay, it's almost 9 o'clock. We are going to be focusing on this shelf. This is going to be easy to do because it's only one genre, which is Harlem Renaissance, and I didn't put them back. So again, I organized books by genre and by author. So again, the genre is Harlem Renaissance. Next, we're going to do by author. Seems like we feel like the world forgot all about Christ. We turn the backs and get a ride. We just want to go back to the basics all the way back. guys, so the shelf is organized. It looks good. Lastly, I need to organize my reading for the month of July. So I need to erase this. July must reads. I'm almost done with my, what is it called? Anna Karenina. I already finished part 4, so, and I think 5. I'll be done with that this month. So we're just gonna say, and it's 8 parts, so 5 through 8. Okay, this is already done because I finally read that book. I've already read a J. Keller Cooper book for the month of July, but I want to read another one. I read a short story collection, and I'm thinking I'm going to gravitate towards this one. It's called The Matter is Life. It's a short story collection, so we're going to put that on there. The Matter is Life. And let's erase this check mark. And then I've also read another book that was on my TBR already, but we can always add another one. I'm currently reading The Davenports. And then of course my book club pick, but I don't put that up there because that's guaranteed. I'm going to read that for our Unsung Black book club. Just to recap, I am going to finish this the month of July because I got to get done with this. Again, I read a good amount of it. I think I only have 6 hours left to read. Last week I was at work. I put that bad boy in and just listened to it, and it was really good. I was able to take notes too. So almost done with this, and then The Matter is Life. We're going to read this short story collection because the last one I read I enjoyed thoroughly, and I just have like 2 more that I need to get that I don't have. I also need to get our book club pick for the month of July. We are reading Carolina Built by, is it Kiana Alexander? I'll get that tomorrow because tomorrow's payday. All right, guys, so that is it for organizing my library, also organizing my July month of reading. Again, this really does help me because it keeps me accountable. Also, too, I need that structure. And then with the library, of course, I'm cleaning it. And again, thank you so much, and I'll be back with more Black books.